Italian chicken recipe that looks simple, but there is one secret step that completely changed the flavor, the texture, everything. This is not the usual chicken with potatoes. There is a method Italians use that makes the chicken incredibly juicy on the inside and crispy on the outside, and most people skip it. Stay with me until the end because once you learn this trick, you'll never cook chicken the same way again. Let's start with the ingredients. Simple, honest Italian ingredients, but use it in the right way. Whole chicken, juicy, flavorful, perfect for this method. Potatoes, golden, comforting, and satisfying. Fresh lemon for the juice, adds freshness and balance. Honey brings sweetness and helps create a beautiful caramelization. Garlic, deep aromatic flavor. Fresh rosemary, classic Italian herb, very fragrant. Red white vinegar adds acidity and brightness. Butter, richness and extra flavor for the potatoes. Salt and black pepper, essential seasoning. Paprika, color and gentle warmth. Extra virgin olive oil, the soul of Italian cooking. Now take a moment to look at all these ingredients together. This is where the magic begins. We start with the fresh rosemary. We chopping it very finely, and this step is important. When rosemary is cut small, it releases much more aroma and blends perfectly into the marinade. This smell already reminds me of the Italian kitchen, Sunday lunches and slow cooking with family. Now, let's build our marinade. Add chopped fresh rosemary to a bowl. Add 1 garlic clove. Pour in red white vinegar and honey. The honey is not just for sweetness. It helps balance the acidity and creates a beautiful golden crust later. Add fresh lemon juice. Paprika, salt and black pepper. Mix everything very well. This marinade is powerful, acidic, sweet, aromatic. Don't rush this state. A well-mixed marinade means flavor in every bite. Now let's prepare the chicken. First, remove any excess fat that we don't need. And now comes the important part. We cut the chicken open completely, flattening it. This is the trick. Cooking the chicken, open it like this, allow it to cook evenly, get crispy and stay juicy inside. Using a brush, we cut the chicken very generously, front and back. Don't be shy here, this is where all the flavor comes from. My advice, really massage the marinade into the meat. Now we let the chicken marinate for 1 hour. This step makes a huge difference. While the chicken is resting, let's prepare the potatoes. Peel them and cut them into medium-sized pieces. Try to keep the pieces similar in size. This helps them cook evenly. Now we boil the potato for about 15 minutes. We don't want them fully cooked, just slightly tender. This step guarantees crispy potatoes in the oven later. In a large pan, add olive oil and 1 garlic clove. Place the chicken skin side down. Now, here is another key step. Place another pan on top to press the chicken. Cook on medium heat for about 15 minutes. This pressure creates an incredible crispy crust. Drain the potatoes and season them. Olive oil, salt, black pepper, paprika, fresh rosemary, butter. Mix everything well, then spread them on a baking tray. Bake at 375 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Now we flip the chicken and press it again the same way. Look at that color, golden, crispy, perfect. And here it is, Italian chicken with potatoes. Crispy outside, juicy inside, and packed with flavor. This is the method that changed everything. This is why we love this recipe. It's not complicated, it's not fancy. It's just one small change that makes a huge difference. Once you try this way, going back feels impossible. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to our channel. Give this video a like, it really helps us. And leave a comment below. We'd love to know how you will serve this dish. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next recipe.